But as of today, I feel very proud and I feel very comfortable for me to be here in China. And despite telling you that I'm a controversial figure in China, I'm extremely grateful and I'm extremely enthusiastic about China's future. You have to, I seem to be giving you some conflicting messages, but I'm sure you understand me better, understand why I say so after another half an hour or so. So coming back to my question, if I'm having this much research support, enjoying my life, personal life at Princeton so well, why would I want to come back to China? And why don't I just go on and at Princeton normally? There are many reasons, but I've been approached by media. So let me not list by the order of significance. Let me tell you maybe a few anecdotes so that you can understand where I'm coming from. I am a Chinese. I'm also an American Chinese because I'm a naturalized citizen. So I think many of you probably are, just like myself. And because of my background, I grew up in the countryside. I went back to the countryside last September 26th. I was so moved to see what it's still like in my hometown, in my home village. And many of you guys here, I'm not sure whether I can tell you exactly how I feel. Let me try. I grew up playing with my childhood friends. Some of them have died of diseases in the countryside I lived because of lack of medicine, because of lack of nutrition. The village I lived for quite a few years was only 3 miles away from a major highway. But the village still doesn't have clean drinking water. People still drink water from the well, and the well is contaminated. In many parts of China, well water, local water, is contaminated by heavy chemicals and by carcinogens. Don't blame anyone. This is the cost of China's development. The air in Beijing is dirtier than at Princeton, right? And you see the hazy, when your flight landed, you saw the hazy air in Beijing. This is China. This is where ancestors lived. And this is where some of my relatives are still living. And this is the people with whom you